Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you about my coding ninjas career camp experience. So let me just begin by telling a little bit about myself. So my name is Harsh and I was a first year computer science student at a university in Greater Noida. I had been programming since 8th grade because at that time I discovered Unity, a game engine. So I learned programming so that I could, make games and share them with people. And over the years, I got really interested in programming and I learned things from free resources from the internet. I made projects of my own. I made a couple of games. So when in first year of my college, I got to know about career camp through Instagram. I was really excited because I could just focus on learning programming and I could get into the industry because I had been programming for a few years and made projects. So I just wanted to, leave the traditional classroom experience because I was not really interested in it and just get into the industry by, just focusing on the things that I like to learn about, like programming. So I joined the course and, I applied for it. I passed the aptitude test and got myself enrolled in the course. So the course started in October. It was the first batch. So the course was majorly taught in Java. It taught from the bare basics, from flowcharts to conditionals to loops to OOPS concepts. So even a person who does not have any programming experience could also learn from those videos and the practice questions. And then the data structures part got started, which was a little new to me. I had learned the basic data structures like linked list, queues. Here I got to learn much more hash maps and then BSTs and trees. We had a lot of practice on recursion. We solved many problems of varying difficulties on recursion, so it made easier to get into data structures with that. And then we progressed on to advanced data structures like priority, queues, and graphs. We had a lot of practice questions on each data structure so that we could, master each data structure. So we got a lot of practice on those data structures and they were made clear by the lectures and the practice questions. So the coverage was great. So this was about the core programming part of the course, and there was also the web development part. In the web development part of the course, we learned about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the MERN stack. So everything was, taught very effectively. Best practices to follow, and we built a lot of projects that were reviewed by the faculty, and the projects were really helpful in making a project from start to finish, doing everything on our own, making every little thing. So it was great. We worked with a lot of technologies and we were taught many different libraries to to reduce the development time. So that was really helpful in the web development part. We By the end of the web development module, we could build our web applications with ease using Node.js. So overall, the whole course was really great, the core programming part and the web development part. Now comes the important part, the placement. So the placement team was just great. After 2.5 months into the course, they regularly kept us posted about new job opportunities. They cleared any doubts that I had, and they took care of our preferences like our location and the role that we were looking for. And they assisted us in resume building and assisted us in applying to companies, and they handled all the communication and they kept us updated. So and the companies they were like shortlisting were great. I was placed at a company called Avalara, which is a tax automation company. So the culture here is really great, and it has been a rewarding experience working here since day one. So in all, the course was really great. I learned a lot of things. The support was really great. We had regular webinars. We had TAs. So any doubts you have, they could be solved by the TAs. And we also had mentors who took our mock interviews and cleared our doubts about working in the industry, which was great. and we had an active Slack community of students and the faculty. So it didn't feel like you it was just you were remotely studying. It was like you were studying together with a group of people. So that was a great part of that. So that is my opinion of the course. I would totally recommend it if you are considering it, because I personally learned a lot from it and got placed at a really great company. So have a look at the course and talk to the team of Coding Ninjas. And I think nothing could be a better investment of your time and money than this course. So I will totally recommend it. Thank you.